Alright, so how long have you been here?
Since 2016.
Alright, it's 2016, and your first hurricane was? Irma, alright. And you believe in the Indian blessings?
When I moved here from 2016,
Yes.
I was told by a friend
Yes.
that an Indian blessing has been in this area, John's Pass,
Yeah.
where an eye of a hurricane will never pass through here.
Really?
So there's a Indian, like a jungle flora has an Indian mountain. So
Yeah.
when I thought Irma was coming, I took loose tobacco, I took rum,
Yeah.
and I said, please keep me safe.
Yeah,
And
yeah.
I left it.
Alright.
And then the last returned.
Wow.
So today
So now
I
I have a
took
question
rum
here. Let me
and-
show.
Yeah.
Alright, so you know that John's Pass was created
Yes.
100 years ago from a hurricane.
Yes.
I don't know the name
I
offhand,
don't either,
but
it's
yeah.
in the 20s.
Yeah, yeah. So that does, but that doesn't. You don't think that at least like, you know, a hurricane once 100 years or something.
I think that people should do the history search and see like the Indian correlation in the time
All right,
frame
all right,
and be scientific about it.
all right. Cool, cool. I like it. All right, it's 11 o'clock in the morning. It's Wednesday, and Hurricane Ian is just entering the Sanibel area. So I had to evacuate out of my house, which was in Zone C. I evacuated to my mother's house, right, which is in a non-evacuated area. We're on Ridge Road, also known Doomy, 113th. They have multiple names out here, right? But it's high level, right? We had eggs, bacon, and some toast this morning. I'm cleaning up our house, making sure everything's all right. But this storm reminds me of Hurricane Andrew and Hurricane Katrina, basically. We were trying to, normally I'm very laissez-faire about hurricanes, but this looks like a big, right? So, we actually evacuated, and we've been trying to batten up the houses. I batten up my house, batten up my mom's house. This is some scary ass shit. I'm so glad it didn't hit Tampa Bay area directly. However, I am praying for the people that are further south. This is pretty badass shit.